Hi, I'm Kimberly Jenkins, and I work for Dr. Reese and Jewett's office in Bryan, Texas. We are just a great proponent for StellaLife. We use it for our surgery patients, and they like it so much that even when they're finished using the product that we've given them, that was included in their surgery, then they come back and they're wanting more. So then I got to have a personal experience this past week. I'd had some dental work done just prior to coming out here, and I've had a huge ulcer way in the back of my mouth that I couldn't reach to, and I've just been in such pain. And so I dropped by the booth, the StellaLife booth. They were so kind to give me some of the gel to use, and I've been applying it like 3 times a day since I've been here, and I cannot tell you the relief that I've had. I just had another dose put on, and it is phenomenal. And so I am just so excited about it, and I think it is such an amazing product, and you need to think about having it in your office to use for your patients.